Bitcoin breaks 108K. We are just $1,000 to the new all-time high. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Crypto to the max with Rodrigo Arnedo. And we have to celebrate that we already have a new all-time high. In this case, is in Argentina, but also we have an all-time high in Sudan. And remember the last time we had a new all-time high for Bitcoin? It started with Argentina, it started with some other countries in the world, India, etc. And then we had it with dollars and also with euros. So we are starting to have all-time highs in different fiat currencies. It seems that soon enough we're going to have it too with the most important ones out there. You need to consider that Bitcoin market cap hit a new all-time high. This is extremely bullish. This means that money is floating into the atmosphere, and maybe we are just replicating these movements 85, 95, 105 now, which is going to be the top. Remember, we hit $108.35, which is just 1.26% to the previous all-time high in 109 and 400. This is $1,300 that Bitcoin can make in just like 1 minute. And we have to consider also this big news that we just had yesterday, the highest daily candle close. We celebrated in previous videos the highest weekly close. Now the daily, soon enough, is going to be the monthly. Of course, what we need for Bitcoin to doing so is, for starters, breaking this parallel channel 1. This is the case, the all-time high would be there. You can create this chart with TradingView. You have the link in the description below. Don't forget that, so that you can follow the price action and also consider where are we going to go. Well, if we replicate the 1-day single candle that we had here or there when we were emulating the movement that we might have right now, we went 7% up, 7.5% up. So if we do that, Bitcoin is moving from this 108 to 1014 or similar. We'll see about that, maybe 115. We'll see. Any case, very happy time. If we zoom out, we still know that we might have the downside of this movement. This is a very crazy parabola we are having. It has to end at some point. So maybe, remember, we can make a new all-time high and they go all the way down as we expect because of the gap of the CME futures. Remember, it has to go to 89,000 approximately in order to that to be closed, and we are following this path. Remember this chart, the last time we didn't close the gap, it took us 80 days, as we didn't close it like in the very first day. It took us 80 bars, which is 119 days, 114 maybe could be. That would bring us to my birthday, 15 August, and yeah, we will be at that point in $89,000 after maybe visiting 124. Everybody now trying to figure out where is going to be the top and if we are going to follow the same movement we did the last time. Well, it can be so strong that we go all the way up to 124,000 case by the end of May. Maybe that, but I'm trying to adjust the movement that we are already having, which is not that strong. So if that's the case, remember, this is not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever if this is going to happen, but in my chart now, the top would be around 112, then down till June the 20th at around 92, close to filling the gap maybe, then up again 113, and then we go all the way down to August and also September. We'll see about that. Remember that yesterday we'll be celebrating the 200K in the video, but it's not just Arthur Hayes saying that this year we might be at that number. Now, 1 trillion Standard Chartered Bank said Bitcoin will hit 500,000 by 2028. So more and more important people saying these news predictions. But any case, we need Bitcoin to keep on going higher. Right now is going down in the 15 minutes chart. We compare it with gold, it's doing the same movement. Also Europe up and down today, Japan going down for second day in a row. So yeah, we'll see today what finally happens. Ethereum also finally broke the 2,600. Seems to be impossible, but we are going down. I draw this line, maybe the line where we are going to bounce back and start moving higher. Might be the case because we have a golden cross, and the last two times we had in the 12 hours, something like this, we went crazy up, like in 2023 and 2024. So that's a good one for Ethereum. And some people are rehearsing already the dance that we are going to have with Ethereum when we hit 5,000K. We will dance, of course, happy. But you know what? Maybe Ethereum is not going up because every time it tries to go, some of the people that founded it, they are selling Ethereum. Allegedly, according to this tweet, every time that Ethereum pumps up, these people are taking benefits, and that's why it's still difficult for Ethereum to go higher. The bubbles are in the crazy green, things like Trump leading the market with this 11% rise. And remember that we have a very important party tomorrow, it's Pizza Day, and Donald Trump is going to celebrate with some 220 lucky attendants. They are going to be with Trump, but not just with Trump, they're going to be with Tron founder Justin Sun. They're going to have there some fun on Pizza Day. If you try to find Pizza Day on Twitter, you still have some of the thumbnails that we created for this special moment in the past. You can watch them. Of course, tomorrow we will talk about Pizza Day. Are you going to celebrate it buying one with Bitcoin? Well, I think you should. And I believe that always those pizza that Laszlo bought are going to be remembered, but not just that. Now we're going to have the price of the Bitcoin that Germany sold, 50,000 Bitcoin. Right now, tomorrow, it would represent missing out of $2.3 billion in profit. This is also history of how a country can do things wrong with Bitcoin. Tesla is doing it right. They are currently holding 11,500 Bitcoin, worth approximately $1.2 billion. They are the 7th largest corporate holder of Bitcoin out there. Good for Elon Musk, trying to do a lot of things and a lot of good for us. And I'm gonna leave you some homework today. There's this conference, it's in English, but it's really amazing. He was there in Qatar. You can watch it on Bloomberg. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below. And if you want to see again how this person attacks this guy, well, you have the opportunity there. And you can learn there because as she attacks Elon Musk in all of everything he's trying to do, he will defend himself and make her feel, well, kind of silly. Because yeah, it's silly to see that we are not encouraging any more people that try to make things, but just attacking them. So yeah, you're going to learn a lot, but I will ask you to have some patience because it's not fun to see people again attacking like we saw the other day with Sam Altman, like we see every day with Donald Trump, and right now in this interview with Elon Musk. But they talk very interesting stuff about Bill Gates, about aid from United States, and so many other important stuff. As it's very important that BlackRock and Fidelity, they are just buying more and more Bitcoin. They're not stopping. And if you want to make an idea of how much they are buying, on average, BlackRock has bought over $100 million of Bitcoin every day since the ETF was created. So if you want to do like them, remember Bitpanda, it's our exchange partner. You have the link in the description below. You can start holding some cryptocurrencies, some Bitcoin like BlackRock is doing. Maybe not all those millions, but maybe why not 25 euros worth of Bitcoin. Consider that we have good regulations. Texas Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Bill just passed to the final vote house. This is insanely bullish. We have more states in the United States now, all pro crypto, and we have the chief of the regulators, Paul Atkins, saying things like this: regulation by informants, it's over. So they are not going to attack anymore this industry as the last administration did. Not just in the United States, good news from regulators in India. India Supreme Court said crypto should be regulated, not banned. So yeah, everybody's opening into this idea. Not just them, also Jamie Dimon, that he hates Bitcoin. Now he's saying, I'm not a fan of Bitcoin, but we will allow you to buy it. I don't think you should smoke, but I defend your right to smoke. I defend your right to buy Bitcoin. Got at it. So little by little, everybody is bending the knee to Bitcoin. The regulators are, and talking about regulation, remember that coin tracking is the tool you need to do your tax report. It's very easy. If you are a company, also remember you have Coin Tracking Corporate. Just tell them you come from Rodrigo or Nido. They will give you a 10% discount. And if you are an individual, even if you need or not the full service, use the link in the description below and you have a 10% discount, which is going to be automatic. And remember that we have a special campaign for this month. If you have the free account, 3 winners are going to go pro, and I'm trying to make you, if you are pro already, to go expert, if you're expert, to go for some time to unlimited. So leave a comment below in this video, coin tracking, and the second and the third letter of the username you use in coin tracking. And at the end of the month, we are going to pick one winner, as we are going to pick a winner for the Ledger Flex, the Punji Penguin edition that I'm going to give away. So if you buy one, just write me an email, findontheright@gmail.com. Give me some numbers of just the moment you buy your Ledger, and you are eligible for that draw. You need to understand Bitcoin is getting adopted one business at a time. Now $6 billion luxury development property market group is going to accept Bitcoin and crypto on Florida condos purchases. This is becoming globally. And the last piece of information of the day comes from Argentina, where we told you we had the new all-time high, which is very good news, but we have also some controversy. Argentina president shuts down Libra crypto scandal investigation. So yeah, remember all that? Well, he said he was going to investigate all that, and now it's over. So it seems that he did everything okay. I'm not saying he didn't, but what do you think about that? Leave a comment below. This is not good for the crypto market, of course. And why not? Can we get along well like these two, a cat and a dog? Why always fighting? With people like Elon Musk, with people like Milei? Let's just chill a little bit and keep on learning and keep on researching so we have more information here tomorrow. Pizza day on Rodrigo Arnedo, Noticias Bitcoin, Fan on the Right Crypto News, health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!